Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 4, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 11, and y equals 10.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 4 to x equals 11, the run is 7. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 10, the rise is 8.
Slope is rise divided by run, 8 over 7, which simplifies to 8 over 7. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 8 over 7, x1 is 4, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.